Hi Paul, I've decided I want to invest this year. Okay, first of all, great to hear you're looking to invest. Have you got an emergency fund? Yes, have an emergency fund in place as you recommended. Any short-term debts, car loans, credit cards, credit union loans, etc.? No, I've cleared all my short-term debt. I actually use the Aspal Savings Challenge to do that. Any reason you need access to money in the next 2 to 3 years, or maybe buying a house, looking to go on a big holiday, etc.? No, I'm in a good place now. I've got my mortgage sorted. I already have a bit of savings as well for short-term expenses, so I really want to just look at the investing. Okay, good to hear. Let me talk you through the Aspal Investment Club. The Aspal Investment Club is where I put my money where my mouth is and I invest with you. So I'm currently putting in €1,000 per month. I'm using a fund that's around for over 30 years and has a phenomenal track record with returns. The fund invests in companies from around the world, currently having about 400 stocks, which is phenomenal exposure and diversification. We love this fund, like I said, it has a phenomenal track record. Cool, sounds great. I'm new to investing though, so is there someone that could help me go through this process, or how do we do it? Absolutely, so what you do is you book in for the investment consultation. You'll be talking to one of our qualified financial advisors to get to know you, to get you more about the fund. There's also other fund options available that you might be interested in, such as ESG investing. And once you've got that consultation, we can set everything up, get your ID, the account set up, and start the direct debit for you as soon as possible. Okay, this sounds brilliant. I'm excited. How much should I invest on a monthly basis, Paul? Good news is you can start as little as €100 per month, but we have clients putting in thousands, and we have clients putting in 500-600 quid, and a lot of people putting in the children's allowance to set up education funds for their kids. So it varies, but the minimum is €100. Okay, that's great. Thanks a million, Paul.